is to bring to your notice that Middle East Gas Association MEGA and All India Industrial Gas Manufacturing Association ARIGMAIG Middle East 2023 exhibition took place in June last week, Dubai. That exhibition was sponsored by Allamal Trading LLC under the directives of Mr. Mushtaq Kanwar, Chairman, and the Chief Executive Mr. Naveed Kanwar. It's about another milestone achieved and another feather in Dubai's cap. The news is that a well-known company in the business of energy and gas technology, IG China brand, has come to Dubai for the first time after the pandemic. This time with some concerted and commendable effort by Allamal Trading LLC, which is a well-known name in the energy and gas business in the UAE for decades. This exhibition used to be taking place in China since the inception, but this is the first time it's happening in Dubai. Further to this, in 13 countries, including India, have taken part in this exhibition. The pioneer enterprises of China's gas industry are very motivated to step across the border of exploring the potential gases in the Middle East. The Middle East market is the most important users center linking with the northern African countries and the southern Asian countries. They enhance their goals to provide a central location for industrial gases community to meet, have technical discussion among industry peers. Lastly, they thanked AIT event organizer of this exhibition, all Chinese and foreign association and partners, exhibitors, speakers, and trade visitors who have supported and participated in IG Middle East 2023. They termed this exhibition and the way it was conducted was a roaring success. This exhibition was beautifully conducted and is sponsored by Al-Laman Trading LLC. Rabia Ashraf, the cameraman at the reporting team, Emarat News, Dubai.